In this video I'll show you how to use a lighter. So let's get the lighter out of the bag. We have here, this is my EDC bag for the backpack for going outside, and there are a few things here, but the lighter is there. This is the lighter. So here I have the lighter. It's a simple lighter with the, this you shouldn't get it wet. These lighters with the stone here, they should not get wet because they don't work after they get wet. But once it gets dry, it will work again. So that's not a big problem. And how you use it, first you shouldn't drop it. How I use the lighter, just use it like this. If it has gas, and even better to have a refillable one, but usually these small big lighters, they're not refillable. I guess you could refill it from the top there, but this is how to use a lighter. And if you want a bigger flame, usually you will be open. If you want a bigger flame, you would be able to open it from the top here and spin this part here, but I don't think it's going to work on that one. Usually the lighters, some of them, they will have an adjustment for the power to have a higher power of the flame, bigger flame. This is how you use the lighter. Very simple, but effective. There are also lighters with the quartz that it has a button and it clanks to open. Those are more reliable in some ways. I think they work even if they're wet, up to a point. And there are also the anti-wind lighters, which they have a really strong flame. This is just a basic simple lighter, not the really wind protection mode or anything like this, but it's really convenient to have it if you need to use it for heat shrink, to reduce the size of heat shrink, for any other purposes. And that's how you keep the lighter. Keep it dry in your bag for when you need it. Thanks for watching. I'll put that Farmer X and the lighter really are a pretty good combination. Compact.